Hey everyone, it's your girl Carrie for a little unboxing video. As you can see, we are here in the new DC section. Books are getting on the shelves. It's very exciting. Hopefully, I keep saying this, but hopefully by the end of the week, it'll all be done. Fingers crossed. As you can see too, I have no sling. I can almost straighten my arm. It's like, it's not 100%, but it's getting there, so very exciting. So yeah, without further ado, let's see what we got. Alright, we've got this carefully packaged book. Vampire Masquerade, Sabbath, the Black Hand. I think this is a special order, so exciting for the person who ordered it. We've got this board game, Paper Dungeons. Oh, a 1 to 8 player. That's like a very big range. So you can play it alone, you can play it with a huge house party. Ages 10 up, about 30 minutes. So it's a classic dungeon crawler with a dynamic roll and write twist. Ooh. Are you ready to roll and write your name in the history books? Question mark? Ooh, check it out. We also, from the Tea Dragon Society, got this adorable puzzle with all the different tea dragons. They're so cute. I love them. So if you're a fan of the graphic novel or the game, check that out. Or if you just love dragons. Alright, what do we got here? Ooh. From Masters of the Universe, we have the Tila staff, a scaled prop replica. I think I can actually open the box. Whoa, 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 whoa. Check that out. Very nice. Probably like the size of my arm. I don't know how long my arm is, but 12 inches? That's all right. Not a toy. A collectible intended for persons age 18 and older. So, it's a solid metal Tila staff. Does not say how big it is. But maybe it's obvious for people who have no problems with measurement. And we have the Skeletal Sword. Ooh, look at that! It's so shiny. Nice purple metal. Very cool. Prop replica, and you can open it, which is fun. Alright, what else? From Stranger Things, it's 11, kind of in her more punk era, the Void series. Can kind of see her outfit a bit better there. Very cool. Love her. I think Stranger Things Day was this weekend. When is the new season coming out? Who knows? Oh, I got some t-shirts. I think these are special orders. So if you go on previewsworld.com, I think the website is back up and running. You can really just order anything that we don't carry. So very fun. So these are kind of the Dark Knight Batman shirts. Very cool. Oh, another from Stranger Things. It's the Demogorgon. Demogorgon. Looking freaking scary. Gonna eat ya. So very cool from Bandai. Nice. Little bit of box damage, not so nice, but what else? Naruto. We've got Uchiha Sasuke. Different hands and like swords and energy, power. Oh, you can see it there. All sized up, very cool. So we've got two of him. And from Dune, it's Zendaya, or also known as Chani. Her blue eyes, she's got that like her still suit on. I know all the lingo. Very cool. Two Chanis. We also got some of the Ninja Turtles. Look at that, Michelangelo and Raphael. Michelangelo here has some donuts for you. Yum. What do they say? Sticky donuts. He's looking really excited about it. And Raphael, he's just kind of in an action pose, ready to fight. He's really happy about it. Very fun. I swear I ordered all of those and they're just like slowly trickling in. Oh. Another Uchiha. What's this? Oh, another 11. Ooh, Twinkle Dolly. This looks like a Demon Slayer. Maybe mystery box? Ooh, let's open it and find out. Super cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, they're not mystery minis. They're keychains. Precious. So, there's some different characters here. You know, they're like all kind of like in baskets. I guess you can see them all here. Very cute. Oh my god, I love the butterfly one. Oh my god. Okay, so there's this one. These are absolutely adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's only one butterfly one, so you better get here quick. Oh my god, look at that. Ah, I love her. Okay. So, some cute little keychains. I guess you can also wear them on a necklace. They're so cute. And then we've got this figure. I want to say Jujutsu Kaisen, but I could be wrong. Please correct me if you know. He's looking pretty serious. It's a very interesting pose. He's like, I don't know what he's doing there. He's about to roll some dice. Or he's about to go bowl. It's a very like bowling pose. I don't know if that's what they're going for. But very cool. And then finally we've got Firestar from Marvel. Becoming one of the original Hellions. Oh. One of the X-Men. Cool. Looks like she's got some fire powers. And she studied under the White Queen. Cool. Alright, I think that looks to be everything. Thank you so much for tuning in, everyone. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.